Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si NSS.
Hindi, wow.
So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. I-unbox natin guys. So ang order ko yata rito guys is yung hair clipper. Oh, so yan nga guys, hair clipper.
Oh my God! Wow!
So ito yata yung transparent na hair clipper. So titignan natin guys ah. Nice, maganda guys.
Nice.
Hair clipper. Rechargeable siya guys. Type C. Meron siyang charging cable na Type C. Meron siyang brush. At meron siyang clippers na iba-ibang size. 5 sizes to guys eh. Kahit hindi ko nabuksan, nakikita ko naman eh. So maganda to guys. Legit seller guys. Thank you for watching.